So how are you with your property tours? Are you okay? Are you good? Or are you great? Are you the best leasing agent in the world, and are you giving the best tours to your prospects that you possibly can? Well, I'm going to give you a word right now that if you're great, this word pretty much does not exist in your tours. And if you find yourself speaking this word, it's a 2-letter word, by the way. If you find this 2-letter word coming out of your mouth during your tours, you are 100%, I hate to break it to you, you are not giving good tours, and you are not as great as you could be, and you are not putting yourself in the best opportunity, in the best position to sign that lease that you could be. Let me explain. My name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Leasing University. What's Leasing University? Leasing University is the #1 training system for leasing agents, for leasing consultants, for property managers in the world. It comes in 2 flavors. There's online training that's available to you from your phone, from your tablet, from your computer, 24/7, 365. It's going to be me working directly with you. Or we also do live events. You can either have me or one of our trainers come out and do a live training session for your people in a 1 or 2 day format. What's included in all this training? We cover everything that you need to know to get the lease, from the phones to determining wants and needs, to selecting an apartment and building value, to handling prospects, complaints and objections, to making a proposal, closing the lease, getting renewals, handling property reviews, neutralizing those negative reviews. We cover it all at Leasing University. So I want you to check that out. Check us out over at leasinguniversity.com or give us a call at 888-735-7451. But let me explain that one word. How many letters was it? 2 letters. A lot of you are like, it's probably a 4-letter word. If you're dropping a lot of 4-letter words in your tour, yeah, you're probably not doing a good job, all right? But what is that 2-letter word that is a tremendous barometer of how you're doing on the tour? The word is if. If. Let me explain. Hey, if you've got pets, you're going to love our dog park. If you like cooking, you are going to love our remodeled kitchen. Hey, if you like the outdoors, you are going to love the fact that we have a pond and a jogging trail right next to the property. If you like to chill out by the pool, not only do we have a saltwater pool, but we've got 2 of them. Hey, if you work in downtown Dallas, if you work in Midtown, boy, you are gonna love this property. Why are you doing a terrible job if you've said any of those statements, which, by the way, all include that, oh, I hate this word, if. The reason is if you're using the word if, you don't know about your prospect. You have not done the proper job on the phone. You have not done the proper job of getting to know them, of determining their wants and needs, not your wants and needs. Their hopes and dreams, not what marketing told you was cool. The amenities that they want to see and that are important to them. And by the way, there's no more than 6 that you should be talking about. If, I just used that word, if you are doing your tours, dropping the if word time and time again, that is a great indicator that you have not done your discovery on your prospects. If you've got a pet, why don't you know if they have a pet? If you're into the outdoors, why don't you already know that? If you work in Midtown or downtown, how come you don't know where they work, how they're getting to work, what their current situation is, and what their ideal scene is? Great leasing agents are able to do tours with things like, you told me that the dog park was important to you. The reason why that's important, you've got a French Bulldog. I believe his name was Timmy, right? And one thing that annoys you, even though you love Timmy, God bless Timmy, what a great dog. Even though you love Timmy, boy, do you hate taking Timmy out in the middle of the night, because at your current place, you've got to walk across 4 lanes of traffic in the middle of the night. You don't have your contacts in. You can't see very well. It's a wonder why you haven't been killed already. So we're going to show you the dog park first, because I know this is vital to you. No more long walks in the middle of the night with Timmy. Timmy's going to head down to our nice pet area, handle Timmy's business, and everything's going to be great. If, I use the word, if you are using the word if, it means you don't know about your prospects. I want you to have a heart-to-heart with yourself right now and say, how much am I using the word if? And how much better would my tours be if I eliminated the word if? Think about that. Think about that for a second. There's only a handful of amenities that are important to your prospect. It's your job to do the proper discovery before you take them on the tour, so you know what's important to them and why it's important, what their current situation is right now, and what their ideal future state is, what their ideal new apartment, their ideal new home is going to provide them. And when you use the word if, it is a direct indicator that you know none of those 4 things. I know this is going to help you. Please feel free to comment below. And if you even work in the zip code of property management, please subscribe to this channel. It's all about you. I've dedicated my life to helping you and other leasing agents and property managers just like you. So please subscribe, hit the notifications. If, I use the word if word, if there's anything that I can help you on, if there's any questions that you have, please comment below and I will get you the answers. I'm your friend in leasing and life. And until the next video, be great and get those leases. 500 of the top property management companies work with Leasing University. We conduct 100 live apartment leasing training events per year. We help our clients sign over 100,000 additional leases per year, adding $2 billion to their revenue. Leasing consultants that have access to Leasing University lease 7 times more apartments than the rest of the industry. Leasing University is new. Leasing University is game-changing, and Leasing University will get you 7 times more leases. Listen, the apartment industry has changed. The way people rent apartments today is totally different than it was yesterday. Today's renter has more access to information, and they've got more choices in apartments than they've ever had before. If you're struggling to get leases, it's most likely not your location, it's not your amenities, and it's not your price. It's your sales training. If you've been made to sit through a boring class or unrealistic online training, and you're not getting the skills that you need to work with renters, to help you handle their objections, and to make sure you close the lease and rent the apartment, well, that ends today with Leasing University. Our simple, fun, and exciting step-by-step online training and live events will give you the skills and confidence that you need to lease 7 times more apartments. Earn your certified leasing consultant credential in less than 30 days with Leasing University. Simply click on the link to get started and head over to leasinguniversity.com now to start your training.